So step number 1 for Bonnie, she is going to be choosing where we go. So the party's really started now. Good morning. So me and Bonnie are off on another little adventure today, and today is a special one. So it's Bonnie's birthday, which means it's all about Bonnie today, which I guess isn't that different from a normal day. But we're going to make it extra special for her, so she's going to be choosing where we go and any activities we do for the day. So we'll make a start. So step number 1 for Bonnie, she is going to be choosing where we go. So I've got 2 tennis balls, one has got beach written on and one's got river, which basically means countryside. It was just too long to write on a tennis ball. So I'm going to throw these and she's going to then choose where we go, by which one she brings back. Ready? 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 Go! The beach! Just pulled up in Walton, so this is where we're gonna go to the beach. We're just in a little car park along the seafront. There is free parking along the front, but it's actually all full today, and regardless they don't allow camper vans. They've covered everything, basically 100% not allowed to park along the seafront in a van. So we're just gonna pay for parking and then we'll head on to the beach for Bonnie.
Live a little, flip the page, give it some more, getting out of my way. I was hiding, bulletproof, forever waiting, then came you. I thought I was what I've been told I thought I was. I thought I was what I've been told I thought I was. I was picking up the pieces of yesteryear's life, in over my head, trying to figure out. I was going through changes, where to begin, when a mountain moving revelation came marching in. I thought I was what I've been told I thought I was. Thought I was what I've been told I thought I was. Been a long time, baby, had an all time low. Stick with me, maybe, don't let me go. Cotton candy in your arms and survive. I'm still a disaster, rock bottom and below.
Okay, so decision number 2 for Bonnie for her birthday. She's got to got to choose between ice cream or chips. So I've written them out in the sand and she's going to choose one. So here we go.
I was what I've been told. I thought I was. Been a long time, baby. Had a long time, Lord.
She has chosen.
Don't let me go. Come, my love, my morning light. Everything's gonna be alright. Come, my love, my morning.
Okay, so that last decision was a little bit of a fake one. So Bonnie chose ice cream and she's had that, but I also wanted chips, so we got both. So Bonnie's lucky day.
Everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright. Come, my love, my morning light. Everything's gonna be alright. Been a long time, baby. Had a long time, Lord. Stick with me, maybe. I love you so.
Okay, so we've just got back to the van, so we're just in the car park still, back from the beach. And the next stage for Bonnie's birthday is to make her a birthday cake. You can't have a birthday without cake. So I've found a recipe online. It's basically self-raising flour, bananas, dog-friendly peanut butter and carrot. So basically a carrot cake for dogs. So I'm gonna give it a try now. I bought one of like the gas stove ovens on Amazon the other day. So I'm gonna try and use that and we'll see how it goes. So I haven't checked on measurements, so I'm just gonna get a mixing bowl and wing it. So I've got the batter together. It's in the oven, if you can call it an oven. I have no idea if it's enough, if it's gonna rise, any of that, so fingers crossed again that it goes to plan. The batter is everywhere, like all over the van. So I definitely need a bigger mixing bowl for the next birthday. So yeah, let's get it cooking. So the party's really started now. Happy birthday, Bonnie. I've had to lock us in the van. The cake must be smelling good because there are wasps starting to hover around, so I've shut the door. And it is coming on. Okay, oh that's hot. So something's happening. I'll give it another few minutes. Okay, so the cake is finished and it's a flop. I could say frisbee because yeah, it's rock hard. It's not even rock hard, it's like so dense. I'll show you.
Never feel alone as long as you're with me. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. There's no place on earth I would rather be.
Do you know what? If it was for a human, I mean, I just wouldn't even serve it to them. But Bonnie literally eats cow and fox poo for fun. So if she doesn't eat my cake, I mean, that's really bad. So I'm gonna get some cream cheese frosting on top, and I've got a little cake topper. We'll see how it goes.
Anything, just give me a mountain to climb. You sing la 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 la. My God, I think I might be in love. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. You'll never feel alone as long as you're with me. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. There's no place on earth I would rather be. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. You'll never feel alone as long as you're with me. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city.
And the final part of Bonnie's birthday today is, of course, presents. So I've got her a couple of little things, and we'll open them now. Oh yeah, one more. One. You want to sit there and do it? Here's your presents. What we got? Easy, Bonnie. Have a look. Have a look. Easy. One. Oh look, it's a ball. Okay, I promise that she does love balls. She's very tired. Okay, what's number 2? Whoa. Oh, good girl. Okay, so I think that's probably the least excited I've ever seen any person or animal for their presents. So we'll try again tomorrow with them. I think she's very tired, so that's where we're going to leave the video as well, so we can let poor Bonnie have a nap. And we're going to move on. We're not allowed to park here overnight, so we're going to find somewhere to set up and yeah, let Bonnie have a nap. So that'll be it for this week. So thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed Bonnie's birthday with us. Good girl. Yeah, it's been fun, so see you next time. Bonnie, say bye. Come on, you can do it.